As you know, I just bought a house and I need to decorate it. While on the hunt for my insanely lavish decor tastes, I have discovered something. Not only do I have the same taste as multi-bajillionaires, but you can actually buy furniture right out of celebrities' homes.
How cool is that? This was Beyonce's lamp.
Estate sales are awesome, and hey, what's better than decorating your house like a castle? Decorating it like a castle with Frank Sinatra's old coffee table. After all, I'm already insane, so hey, why not go all the way?
Here's our outfit of the day, by the way. We got some funky boots, Cheetah-licious, Amazon, Poshmark. I put a bow in my hair to be cute. Anyways, there we go. That's what we're wearing. All right, gorgeous downtown Los Angeles. Oh, I'm so excited. It's so windy outside too, woo. Oh, hey. Okay, here's the store. So, here we go. Whoa. This looks so cool! I'm so excited! Oh my god. How have I never been here? Oh, this is like my dream. I am like living in here. Oh my god, look at the aesthetics! Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. This is low-key a little terrifying, but apparently this lady did a lot of sculptures for celebrity homes. This is... her hands are a little big. Okay. Wow, look at this place. Let's see what else. Oh my god, look at, oh my god, look at how gorgeous everything. Oh, what a cute little mirror. Hello. I'm like living for this. Tell me what you just said.
So this piece came from the La Belvedere Castle, which was Bella and Gigi Hadid's father's house that he built.
Guys.
And there were 19 Carrara marble fireplaces in this house.
I mean, do I need this? I think I need this. Holy shit. Wow. That would be such a flex to have Gigi and Bella Hadid's fireplace. Wow, look at this. These are pictures from the house, you guys, of where they got the stuff. I feel like I'm such like a stalker right now. That's like insane. Wow. Oh, it's so beautiful. I need to stop making noises like this. It's gorgeous. Oh, look at how beautiful it is. God, look at how gorgeous the detailing is on this. Obsessed with this one. Wow. Am I gonna buy this?
Uh-oh.
These are beautiful.
They go up above the doorway. And
Gorgeous.
these came out of Seal and Heidi Klum's house.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at how gorgeous they are, you guys. Wow. I'm dying. This is so cool. Like, look at the detailing. It's beautiful. I don't really know where I would put those, but hey, where would I put anything? Has that ever stopped me before? No. Oh, this is pretty. What could I do with this? I love it. Wow. I should buy those. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. This is so, oh my god. This is like my dream. Oh god, this is terrifying me. Oh god. Happy Thanksgiving, I guess.
Beyonce and Jay-Z.
Oh my god, this is so, look at this, you guys.
Holmby Hills. It was across from the Playboy Mansion.
There, I've been to the Playboy Mansion before,
Yeah.
weirdly. How cool is that? This was Beyonce's lamp. This was Beyonce's sink.
Oh, Cheryl Wagner, 24 karat gold.
This is my favorite. Oh my god, I need this. I don't want to buy this whole thing though. You guys, how many people can say they touched Beyonce's sink? Eh? This is such a beautiful sconce. Oh my god. Look at how beautiful, you guys. It's a peacock living his best life on this door. What if I got this door and like repainted it? Do you know what I'm saying? For my closet, this would be beautiful. Oh my god, this is so cool. Is this from a famous person's house or is this just...
Not
No?
that one.
Oh, well. This is just your average person who has a peacock door. Oh my god, this is so crazy. Look at this. Whoa. Huh. Look at this. There's a whole section called famous homes. Whoa, 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 whoa. So these were in American Horror Story. Wow, these are famous lamp things. They actually are a little horrifying, so there we go.
He came off of the Vanderbilt Hotel in New York City.
Wow, that's cool.
The Empire State Building.
Oh my gosh. Hey. I don't think I want that in my house. I can't wait to decorate my house just with everything in it everywhere. Oh, no taste. It's just gonna be gold everything. Another ginormous door from the Hadid mansion. Touch. I'm so weird. Wow.
right there.
That's cool, from the Egyptian theater. Wow. Unbelievable. I just love old stuff because, you know, it all has a story, like where it came from, its past life. Just kind of like I think we have past lives. Another conversation for another day. But let's see what they got. Look at this. Ellen DeGeneres doorknob. That's so crazy. Whoa, this is even cooler than a famous person. The castle, Hearst Castle. This is so cool. I feel like I'm on a treasure hunt. Wow, look at all these oh my gosh. These would be such beautiful light thingies. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be gorgeous in there. Ooh, I don't even know what to do with this, but I feel like I should buy it. Fashion. Oh my god, look at all the doorknobs. There's so many doorknobs. Wow. Truly, another man's trash is another man's treasure. Ooh, this is actually beautiful. Hi guys. Hello. 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 This is so much fun. Oops. What the heck? Oh, those are amazing. I can't even believe this store right now. Okay, so we're gonna try and focus a little bit. I mean, I need everything, so I guess I am allowed to be all over the place. Oh my god, there's a whole downstairs. This is so fun. Whoa. Look at all that. Whoa. It just keeps going. This is so cool. There it is. That's the Beyonce and Jay-Z bidet. Should I purchase Beyonce and Jay-Z's bidet is not a sentence I ever thought I would say. Damn, you know, just when you thought you'd shopped for everything. You can find anything in Los Angeles. It's incredible. Like, this would be so cool. You could just use it as a headboard or something. Wow. It's the ghosts of sinks past. Maybe I should get a pink sink. That would be fun. This is like my greatest hobby, by the way. Shopping in like really, really random places. Woo! Look at all the sinks. I totally do want to get a sink like this, like a cool, funky one. Why get a boring plain sink? And you can get one with like full-on art in it. So cool. Needless to say, yes, my house is going to be very, very chaotic. In the best way. Wow, look at this. This is crazy. So much. Actually, that frame is gorgeous. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Oh, wow. Where else could you find something like this? I don't even know what that is. I would say I'm the weirdest person in here, but I'm actually the only person in here, so I'm the weirdest and the most normal all at the same time. Am I even allowed to be back here? I don't know. This is like one of those iron thingies that I love. I want to make my front doors look like this. I need to get those made because they don't really like sell those any old where. Like, you can't get that at Target, but it's like my dream to have a staircase. How weird is it to install stairs when I don't even have an upper level? Just decorative stairs is so extra. Okay, what else? It's the doors to everywhere. It's like Narnia. Hello? Another room. Oh my god, wow. This is crazy. One of these doors gotta lead somewhere magical, right? This was in a movie. That's kind of cool. This is one of my favorite paintings, by the way. Daybreak. So gorgeous. Look at that. It's like a hand-carved relief. They just don't make stuff like this anymore. This is amazing. Wow. I feel like I shouldn't be allowed to touch everything, but no one's gonna know. You know, aside of the fact that I'm filming. Secret safe with you, right? Don't tell. This is actually insane. Wow, 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 wow. All the chandeliers. Oh. They said famous people come in here all the time too for like movie sets and things. Chris Pine was in here the other day. How cool is that? And me. I don't count though. Like, all of this stuff just belonged to like fancy rich people. Amazing. Since we're already downtown, I'm gonna try this store again. They got some cool stuff in here usually. Now I'm inspired and want to shop. I've actually brought you guys here in a video before, but here we are again. Let's see what else we got. Like, this isn't from a celebrity home, but was in the Waldorf Astoria. How cool is that? In the 1930s. Oh, they got prices to match, but still cool. Like, that's kind of cool. Wow. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. That's one of my favorite artists, Hans Zatzka. I don't believe this is an original at all, but oh my god, this is unbelievable. I need it. Oh, I could live in here. I really want to get something like this too. Look at this little store. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. I love stuff like this. Oh my god, these are gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm loving the chair. Like, oh my god, if I redid them, you guys, these are like original. They'd be so beautiful. They obviously need some redoing, but gorgeous. All right, we're back. It is, well, it's actually only 4 p.m., but it looks like the sun is about to set. So, anyways. So you want to see a haul of what I got? You're gonna die. It's the funniest haul I've ever seen. Okay, so I'll actually explain this because this actually makes sense. This, I loved the Hadid's fireplace. So I think I actually might get that. I just had to check the measurements. I got a little sample of the marble to like see the color. The color of the marble, I think that would be gorgeous, especially because I'm probably gonna do something very similar to that on the floor. Like, can you picture it? I think that would be fire. Get it? Fire, fireplace. That was a pun unintended, but that was amazing. Okay. Oh, you can see the moon. You guys see it? Look at the moon. Hi, moon. You're so beautiful. Oh, and we got a... Wow. Honestly, I would have tried to take the fireplace home today, but someone else has it on hold. So please release it, whoever you are. If it doesn't work out though, I'm gonna get one that looks just like it. So that's that. This was from that movie theater room. It was chipped, so they actually gave it to me and said, have fun. So obviously I know how to fix that. So I don't know what I'm gonna use this for, but I'm gonna do like hella gold gilding all over the walls, all my fancy stuff, you know, kind of like this. Actually a hilarious concept to have absolutely nothing in your house except that. Vibes. These are pretty little gold knobs. These were from either Bella or Gigi's closet room. Literally hilarious, so I'll have to put these on something fun. Like I'm gonna redo the whole closet anyway, so maybe on one of these I'll put these on there as a special thing. What a fun little souvenir. I'm sorry, I have to show you guys this again. This is so gorgeous. Oh my God, what a beautiful, oh, it's so beautiful. This was someone I used to love's very favorite sky. I think in this room, how gorgeous would those chairs be in here? Like, those would just be so gorgeous in here with the wood. So actually, I think I'm gonna go back and get those too, so. Yay, actually a shockingly successful day. I'm gonna do a Christmas vlog in here, so I haven't started yet, but I have like some Christmas things all over the place. That video is gonna be next week. So like, comment, subscribe for that. But also, the lighting in this video is so crazy. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm gonna get professional lighting someday in my lifetime, or not, I don't know. Anyways, that's what I got. Thanks for watching. I actually have, get this, 3 things to do. I actually have to go to a basketball game, an album release party, and a birthday party tonight. So I gotta go change and go get ready for that, but I love you guys so very much. Of course, stay tuned for all the Sky Castle renovations. Those should be starting soon. By the way, just so y'all believe me, yes, this is what we are waiting for to get approved. Like, we got all the drawings. It's all sorted and ready. It's just getting the city to let me do it. Anyways. Kisses till next time. XL. Oh my God, it's so dark I can't even finish the video. Ooh, creepy. Hello. Yeah, literally 4:47 p.m. I hate this. Love that though. Good work on that, God. That's real nice.